Hello. How you doing, Rami?
Good.
Good.
Tell us a little bit more about your reality capture solutions.
Absolutely. Well, firstly, my name is Paul. I look after Reality Cloud Studio in Europe, technical sales manager. Reality Cloud Studio is our cloud-hosted solution for reality capture data from Hexagon, built on HXDR, which is our Hexagon digital reality platform. But Reality Cloud Studio is really a place where we can not only send data from the field to the cloud, but it's a place where we can host Hexagon data from all our sensors that you see here at the show, but also it's a very, very open platform. So you can see Reality Cloud Studio is browser-based. It's running in the background on AWS. To get data up into the platform, as I said, we can go from our field apps directly to the platform if we want to, or we can drag and drop our content in here. Plus, we also have a really nice little application called HXDR Data Flow. Now, HXDR Data Flow, just a little bit like Dropbox or OneDrive, just runs as a client in the background. Maybe you've got a 100 gigabyte file that you want to upload to the cloud, you don't want the internet connection to cause a problem, then we can upload that using data flow. If the internet dies for any reason, it will just continue and resume. So since we've implemented this, no complaints from anyone in terms of uploading data to the platform itself. We can create projects, we can create users on the platform, but we work on a consumption basis with Reality Cloud Studio. So let's say you buy 1 terabyte entry-level tier, that upload consumes your quota, but there's no charge for streaming. So streaming is completely free of charge as part of your subscription, and also the number of users is unlimited as well. So that means you can share data internally within your organization, and you can also stream that to all the other applications like CloudWorks and like a Cyclone 3DR as well. We also have meshing capability on the platform as well. So we can create a mesh with a single button click, and it will go off and compute the mesh and create a nice lightweight mesh which we can use for sharing, really nice visualization. In addition, we also have some automatic registration tools in the platform too. So you can take a B2G file from our BLK2Go or BLK sensors, or you can push data, for example, from a BLK 360 from our Field 360 application directly to the cloud and perform some registration. But in terms of the platform, these are all the projects. I've got another data set open over here, which is just running. So within the solution, you can create limit boxes, you can do measurements, you can create geotags. We can also do really nice virtual tours. So we can create a nice tour through the platform to allow us to share that with end users. So this is what we can see on the screen right now. So the infamous Michael Gula that you guys probably know, he provided me this little RTC 360 data set, and this is what we're using on the screen now to do some demonstrations. But anything we create in the platform, we can share a link to. So we've got these deep link URLs directly to a limit box or a geotag or whatever, they can be shared. Obviously we've got full visualization capabilities in here as well. We can change the look and feel of the data in the platform. We can switch between panorama, point cloud, meshes at will, and we can also obviously download that data if we want to. So I'm just going to stop this tour here now on the screen that we can see, and obviously there's the data. Just navigate down to here slightly so you can see some of the data. So this is an automatic mesh. On the right hand side we've got various visualization settings, but there's also a download icon there, so we can download the data. Now we can download the original files, or we can actually convert them to different formats. We can download the panoramas, download the meshes as an OBJ, so we can use it in other applications if we want to. But one of the key things, as I said, is sharing. So we've got this little share function here, so we can share this with other people in the organization, or we can actually have a general access link. So that's a public URL which we can share very, very easily. We're going to start having more analytics in the platform. Things like deviation reporting, scan versus BIM, floor flatness analysis, all those kinds of things that you might have already seen in some of our other applications. We'll start seeing that cloudified and brought across into the platform. So you can see in CloudWorks now on the top left-hand corner, we've got this new button which is Reality Cloud Studio. So we can directly stream into our CloudWorks enabled products. So that's Revit, Navisworks, BricsCAD. And what you can see on the screen now is a representation of data that is streaming directly from Reality Cloud Studio. So this is just a very, very simple RTC 360 data set. I've already got some limit boxes that I've defined directly within Reality Cloud Studio. So on the screen now you can see just this data is streaming live. We can start drafting, 3D modeling, creating BIMs, or doing what we need to. And this holds true for like a Cyclone 3DR as well. So that gives you, Rami, hopefully an off-the-cuff, unrehearsed, raw view of Reality Cloud Studio powered by HXDR.
Thank you so much, Eric.
Okay.